Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to add an account or make a separate Chrome book on the desktop where we could log in with different IDs, Gmail IDs or different other IDs, right? So for that we will have to go for or not this profile pic which is there on the status address bar bookmark और सारी जगहों के पास click on it and go for add. Here you will write down, for example, I have to add grade 4. I have to make make a Chrome book with the name of grade 4. Select any icon like this, add it. Now the whole Chrome book with grade 4 will come. Now you have no need to add account here. This is a new Chromebook. So now here is my account that is with grade 4. Now you can add as many account as you can. Like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 accounts, and this is 10th account. So there are 10 account on my desktop. As you could see, the screen on the desktop.